Good morning. Welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I have a Santa trash cookies that we are making. I'm also making this with my children, Jean and Ryder. Ryder's just going to be hanging out here in the back playing with his Jacob's ladder. But we're so excited because we wanted to share this cookie recipe with you. This is one of our family favorite recipes. And this is also a collaboration with SMALLTOWNSIX, Miss Tiffany's channel. If you guys haven't seen her channel, please go check it out. Thank you so much, Miss Tiffany, for hosting this baking with your children. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients that you're going to need. There's one thing I'm going to change is right here in this container is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. This is going to replace my eggs. If you guys want to just use a regular egg, go ahead. And I'm also using a vegan butter, but you guys could use regular butter. That's the only thing different I'm going to have. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to let you guys know that I wrote down the full recipe. It will be linked down in the description below so that you're able to follow along with me. You're going to have your oven at 350.
So first off, we're going to take 2 sticks of butter, or 1 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and put it in a bowl. And what?
We're going to hand mix it until it's creamy, so about 3 to 4 minutes. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Jacqueline. I'm so glad that you decided to check out my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cookie recipe. I do contents of cleaning, motivations, and power hours, some decoration, and we also do plant-based recipes. I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Next, you're going to beat eggs and vanilla until it combines. What I'm doing, since I don't have eggs, I'm using the flaxseed eggs. I'm going to add the vanilla to my flaxseed. I'm going to stir it up with it.
2.
Now you can go ahead and put it in the mixture and mix it all together. Yes. In another bowl, you're going to whisk together 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're going to mix that together. After that is well mixed, you're going to add it into your wet ingredient and combine them together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to gently fold in potato chips, pretzels, chocolate chips, and sprinkles. We're going to go ahead and start with our sprinkles. You're going to have 1/2 cup of red and green sprinkles. Okay. Now we're going to add chocolate chips. We're going to do 1 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. We're going to be doing 3/4 cups of crushed pretzels. Jean's going to use our spice smasher. I don't know what that's called. And then she's going to use a 1/4 cup No, you're gonna smash it first, and then you're gonna measure it, and then you're gonna put it in it.
That's what I do.
Don't go super crazy and powder it, okay? So about 5 years ago, when we lived in South Carolina, when we first moved to South Carolina, we started making Christmas cookies as a family tradition because my mama used to make it, and Joel's mama and family used to make Christmas cookies, and his grandma and stuff like that. So we decided to bring it back into our family, and we had found this recipe, and we all fell in love with it. So I really believe you guys will love this recipe. If you guys are interested in more family traditions, I made a decorating video talking about my family traditions and what we've done. I'm going to leave a link at the end of the video, so please go ahead and go check it out. And if you need some ideas of decorating for Christmas, that would be a good one. Jean had added the 3/4 of a cup of crushed pretzels. Now we're going to add potato chips, the same amount, 3/4. The recipe tells you to hold back some, but we're just throwing it all up in there, and we can add a little bit on top with the extra ones.
You like the chips in there?
Yeah, we like the goody stuff in there, like yummy.
Not healthy.
Not healthy. This is the potato chips. I like to get it. You could get whatever brand you want. It doesn't matter if it's a cheap brand or an expensive brand. This was actually on sale for us. But you want the waves. That's the chips that I think it recommends the best. And go ahead and grab some to eat.
You want them a good size, because if you don't, you get yourself cut. Like when you're eating it, and then you'll be eating it, and then you like cut
You don't
your
want
lip.
too big because our the round
They're
balls are going to be about I think a tablespoon each.
Yeah, and
I'm sorry, 2 tablespoons.
yeah. There's no.
You can even get one of those snack packs. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, even like let me like a little mini bag, and you can probably use that whole thing.
But you might as well just buy a party bag. What you're going to do is you're going to fold the dough and the ingredients together. I think it's easier with a wooden spoon. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Now, who doesn't love chips? And who doesn't love chocolate chips? And who doesn't love cookies? You might as well just mix it all together. Now, doesn't that look yummy? So,
Totally healthy.
yes, very, very healthy. This is definitely going to be a hero's breakfast for us.
This is gonna be eaten by dinner, bro.
Okay, so it's all mixed together. Perfect.
For the balls, do 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. So
Yeah, you're gonna kind of want round balls. Like if you have a cookie dough spoon, then that's good. But I don't have one, so I'm just gonna. These make pretty big cookies. You want to make sure that you're able to flatten the cookies. So you're gonna push them down just slightly, and then make sure there's more room. Yummy. If you guys are doing the 2 tablespoons, these make really big cookies and they melt quite a bit. So if you don't want big cookies, make sure you go to about a tablespoon. I think we're doing a little bit more than 2 tablespoons of cookie dough, but we like big cookies. What you could do next is you can add more pretzels, chips, and all the sprinkles and everything on top. And then you add a little bit of flaked salt. But I don't like the flake salt. I like to use a little bit of sea salt. So I'm just gonna add just a teensy bit of sea salt to the top of each of these. Jean, if you wanna go ahead and grab some more pretzels and stuff like that to put in the other one, that one that needs it.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put these in the oven. We're gonna bake them for 14 minutes or until the outsides are golden brown. Okay. My cookies are not really golden brown. They're a little bit brown, so I'm gonna cook them for another 3 minutes and then check them after that. I'm going to let these cool for about 2 to 3 minutes here, and then I'm gonna move them over to cool on a rack. Right here, I am using a vintage snack tray. I'm going to fill the cup up with some almond milk, and then I'm going to add a few cookies and go serve this to my husband, who is outside working really hard in the yard. I had a great time baking these cookies with my daughter Jean and Ryder in the background. They taste so yummy. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you guys decided to try this recipe. You can follow me on Instagram at CozyHome127 or leave a comment down below. Thank you again, Miss Tiffany, for hosting this collaboration. I hope you guys enjoy this and have a Merry Christmas.